In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and resize an image in Notion. Let's start right inside a Notion page. It can be any page you're working on: notes, a dashboard, a project page, or a documentation page. First, make sure your cursor is placed where you want the image to appear. You can click on an empty line, or create a new block by pressing Enter. Now, on that new line, type the / followed by the word image. So you'll type .image without the quotation marks. As you type, Notion will open a small menu of commands that match what you're writing. You should see an option labeled Image. This is Notion's built-in block for adding pictures to your page. Once you see that image option in the menu, click on it. As soon as you do, Notion will insert an empty image block into your page. Inside that block, you'll see a few choices for how you want to bring in your image. You might see options like upload, edit, embed link, or choose from other sources, depending on your setup. For this tutorial, we're going to upload a file from your computer. Go ahead and click on the option that says Upload File. This will open a file browser window from your operating system. From here, navigate to the folder where your image is stored. Take a moment to choose the exact image you want to use, then click Open or Choose, depending on your system. Notion will now upload the image and display it directly on your page. You'll see the image appear at the spot where you placed your cursor earlier. Give it a second to finish loading if it's a larger file. Once the image is on the page, you might want to adjust its size so it fits better with your content. To resize it, hover your mouse over the image. You'll see small handles appear along the sides of the image. Move your cursor to one of the handles on the left or right edge until it changes to a resize icon. Click and hold on that handle, then drag left to make the image smaller, or right to make it larger. As you drag, you'll see the image adjust in real time, so you can quickly find a size that looks clean and balanced with your text and other blocks. When you're happy with how it looks, just release the mouse button and your resized image is ready to go.